Welcome back to your computer science course, Exploring Algorithms, Modeling, Comparing, and Refining. Let's take a look at this week's vocabulary. Algorithm, a step-by-step procedure or formula for solving a problem. Efficiency, the ability to accomplish a task with minimum wasted time and effort. Refine, to make improvements or adjustments. Bubble sort, a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list of items to be sorted, compares each pair of adjacent items, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The pass-through is repeated until no swaps are needed, indicating that the list is sorted. Quicksort, a divide and conquer algorithm that works by selecting a pivot element from the list and partitioning the other elements into two sublists, according to whether they are less than or greater than the pivot. The sublists are then recursively sorted. By the end of this assignment, you'll be able to model different algorithms for a given task, compare their effectiveness and efficiency, refine algorithms based on evaluations, and determine the most efficient algorithm for a specific task. Take a look at your I can statement. I can explore and improve algorithms. What do you think an algorithm is? Why do you think it's important to compare different algorithms for the same task? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of algorithms. Now, I know the word might sound fancy, but trust me, it's all about solving problems step by step, just like following a recipe. So get ready to become algorithm masters. Algorithms are our problem-solving buddies. Efficiency is about getting things done quickly and well, and refining is all about making things even better. All right, now we're going to explore different algorithms to sort a deck of cards. Sounds fun, right? But wait, there are so many ways to do it. Each way, or algorithm, has its own special way of sorting those cards. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only be a pro at sorting cards, but also at picking the fastest way to do it. If you have a deck of cards at home, pause the video so you can go get it, and you'll be able to follow along with this activity. Now, let's put your thinking caps on. We have two super sorting algorithms, bubble sort and quick sort. Which one do you think will be quicker for sorting a deck of cards? Why? Bubble sort and quick sort are like magic tricks that help us arrange items in a specific order. I'll explain how each of them work, and I want you to think about how they can make sorting easier. Let's look at bubble sort. You'll arrange cards in a line, compare adjacent cards, swap if needed, put the smaller one on the left, and repeat for all of the cards. Keep repeating until sorted. Let's look at how to do that. Okay, here's my deck of cards. I'm going to shuffle it first here. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole deck of cards. That would take a lot of video for you to watch. So I will start with 10 cards. Okay, for our bubble start, we're going to start at the left and work our way to the right. We'll take these two cards first. You look at the first two cards and say which one's bigger. Well, they're the same, so I'll leave them. Now we look at the next two cards. Which one's bigger? 5, so I'm going to leave it in this order. Now we'll move to the next two cards. 9 is bigger than 2, so I need to move it over. Okay. Now we work with the next two cards. 9 is again bigger than 8. So we've got to move it. Now we'll work with the next two cards. 9 wins again. All right, now we've got the next two cards. King is bigger than 9, we'll leave it. Now we'll do these two cards. The king is bigger than the 4. Okay. And the king is bigger than the 3. Next two cards, king is bigger than the 10. Okay, In the bubble sort algorithm, we'll do this process over and over again. 5 and 5 are the same. 5 is bigger than 2. 8 is bigger than 6. 8 is smaller than 9, we'll leave it. 9 is bigger than 4. 9 is bigger than 3. 9 is smaller than 10, so we'll leave it. And 10 is smaller than q, so we'll leave it. Then we do the process again. All right, now we've got 5 and 2. 5 is bigger than 2, we'll move our 2 over. Now we've got 2 5s, same. 5 is smaller than 6, we'll leave it. 6 is smaller than 8, we'll leave it. 8 is bigger than 4, so we'll move that over. 8 is bigger than 3, we'll move that over. 8 is smaller than 9, we'll leave it. 9 is smaller than 10, and 10 is smaller than king. Then we start over. So 2 and 5 are good, 5 and 5 are good, 5 and 6 are good. 6 is bigger than 4, so we'll move it over. 6 is bigger than 3. And the rest of these are in the right order. And now we'll start over. 2, 5, 5. Oh, we've got to move our 5 over. It's bigger than 4. We've got to move our 5 bigger over because it's bigger than 3. And now the remaining cards are the same, so we'll start over. 2, 5. Oh, 5 is bigger than 4. 5 is bigger than 3. And now the rest of these cards are in order. We'll do it one more time. I think only one more time. 2, 4. 4 is bigger than 3. We'll move it over. And now it looks like, yep, our cards are in a nice sequential order. And we would do that with the entire deck of cards in a bubble sort. Now let's look at the quick sort algorithm. First, you'll compare numbers. You'll divide them into 2 groups. You'll repeat it for each group. Then you'll combine groups and sort numbers. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so with quick start, you're going to have your deck of cards in your hands, and you're going to pull out 1 card and put it in the center. There's 9. Then you're going to put the cards that are lower than 9 on the left, the cards that are higher than 9 on the right. King is higher, 7 is lower, 2 is lower, Jack is higher, 6 is lower, 4 is lower, Ace can be lower or higher. In this case, I'll count it above King. Queen is higher. Now we've got the Joker. So I'm going to stop there because I can't go through the whole deck of cards. That will take a while. Then what you'll do is take the ones that were lower on the left, turn them over in a pile. Take the ones that were higher, turn them over in a pile. Now you'll do the same sorting with each of these piles. So let's take our ones that were lower, and we'll sort those. So now we've got a 7. Is 2 higher or lower? It's lower. Is 6 higher or lower? It's lower. 4 is lower. Then you do it again. Flip those cards over. Now we know the 7 is lower than the 9. We're going to put it up here. Let's do it again. Now we're going to compare it to 2. 6 is higher. 4 is higher. Flip these 2 over. And do it again. 4 is lower than 6. So we've got our 6 lower than 7, 4 lower than 6. Now we've got these in sequential order. Then you would do the same with those cards that were higher on the right. Jack is lower than King. Ace is higher than King. Queen is higher. So now we'll flip all these over. Play it again. Jack is lower. Queen is lower. Turn those over and play it again. Jack is lower. Queen is lower. So now we can put our cards that were higher than 9 on this side. And you would do that with the entire deck. All right, now that you've got some instructions, now you give it a try with your deck of cards. Choose the algorithm you want to use, bubble sort or quick sort. Follow the steps carefully to sort the deck of cards in ascending order. Remember, efficiency and speed are key factors in determining the best algorithm for this task. Set a timer to see how quickly you can sort the deck of cards using your chosen algorithm. Then use the other algorithm. Focus on accuracy and speed while arranging the cards. All right. As you may have discovered, quicksort was a bit faster than bubble sort. Understanding and selecting the most efficient algorithm is crucial for solving tasks effectively. Keep exploring algorithms and problem-solving strategies. You're on your way to becoming algorithm experts. Great job, Epic Comet. You're ready to move on to the next activity.